This video is not authorized or endorsed by Traxxas. Okay guys, I'm gonna try and pull off a front flip with my RC car off of that ramp.
So I've designed a ramp that can defy the gravitational force of the Earth. So what we're gonna do, I higher the ramp a bit, so it's gonna go high, and yeah, we need to increase the speed. So the formula is speed times height plus the velocity and the force of the gravitational force equals distance. As you can see, it's very high.
What have you changed?
I have changed the trajectory of the chair, which makes the ramp higher.
Yeah.
And it can defy gravitational force. That's the whole point of this design.
How do you feel, sir?
Yes, I feel proud of designing the new ramp. After research of decades, we've created this model.
Understandable. How do you feel, sir?
I feel pretty good.
Feel pretty good? Confident this time?
Yeah, I'm confident that it's starting to work.
Perfect
I
landing?
don't know about the steep angle of the ramp. That might prove a bit of a problem. I think it might hit halfway up and then destroy it.
Okay.
But we can try.
But we'll see. This is just a test run.
I'm the scientist, don't believe
I do believe that it's going to kind of hit the ramp right there and thrust this section skyrocket. But
we are here to
all in
experiment
fun,
and
all in
test.
favor of the car doing this. Say aye. Aye. Okay, looks like. Thank you.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
Something like it'll like go up and then it will go fly at the world and it will pass those gates and go to the other house.
Yeah. Hey,